Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot: Coco Bread and Jerk Chicken. We're going to start with making the cocoa bread first. Let's get to the ingredients: granulated sugar, yeast, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, coconut milk, salt, and an egg. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, the first thing is we're going to take this bowl, put the butter in, put the coconut milk, the sugar, and some salt. Then we're going to put this in the microwave and microwave it for 30 seconds. I've taken the mixture out of the microwave, and this is the next step. We get a large bowl and we pour the mixture in the bowl. Then we add the yeast. And we mix this up. Let the yeast dissolve in the cream coconut mixture. Then we take the egg and we beat the egg. Then we add it to the milk mixture. And we stir this up. And we let it sit for about 1 minute. Now, this is what we do now. We add the all-purpose flour to the mixture. And mix this up. This is the next step. We add a little flour to the cutting board. We're going to knead the dough for about 3 to 4 minutes. After kneading the dough for about 3 to 4 minutes, we put it back into a bowl and we set it to the side in a warm spot to let it rise for an hour. Now, while the cocoa bread is sitting to rise for an hour, we are going to make the jerk chicken. And these are the ingredients we will be using: cayenne pepper, dried thyme, black pepper, ground cloves, cinnamon, onion powder, garlic powder, nutmeg, paprika, allspice, cumin, dried parsley, salt, red pepper flakes. And with all these seasoning, I already put them in this cup here and mix them together. And of course, this is the chicken I will be using. I already washed it in lemon juice and rinsed it several times in cold water. I'm going to use my electric grill. I have it here. I turned it on high to heat up right now. And we're going to take the chicken and put it in this bowl to season it with the jerk seasoning I made. So it's very easy and simple to make your own jerk seasoning. But you can buy the one in the store already made also. Now, take my hand and massage it in the seasoning to the chicken. Well, I'm going to add the chicken to the grill now. Okay, now I'm going to cover this up and cook it for about 8 minutes on each side. Now let's check the chicken and see if it's time to flip it over. Yes. Now we're going to let them cook on this side for about 10 minutes or until it's done. Now that the jerk chicken has grilled, and now let's make the cocoa bread. Add a little flour. Now we're going to make these into balls. We're going to roll them into balls. And I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper. This is what we're going to bake them in. Now we're going to let them set for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to take a rolling pin and we're going to roll the balls out one at a time. Now that I've rolled out this one, let me show you what we do. We spread some butter on half of it, melted butter. Then we fold it in half. Then we spread some more butter over this side. Pick it up, then we put it in the baking sheet. Here you have it, cocoa bread and jerk chicken. Enjoy. Now let's try some. Let's see, I break the cocoa bread in half and see how it is. Now let's take a piece of the jerk chicken. And we put it into the cocoa bread. I can taste the buttery flavor of the cocoa bread. I can taste the spices of the jerk chicken, the cinnamon, the allspice, the nutmeg, the heat of the peppers, all the flavors coming together. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Oh, and don't forget to check out some of my older videos on the screen below. Bye.